To die but not be forgotten. That's true long life. Oh. Hey guys, it's been a while. If you're here, that means you've come for the revamp. I've completely transformed the computer arm. We're talking new hardware, new software, and a brand new design. And I sound like Tim Cook at a keynote presentation. Let's just get into it. First, we upgraded from the Raspberry Pi to the Nvidia Xavier NX. It features a 6-core CPU, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and the capability to perform 21 trillion operations a second. We then upgraded from a 5-inch display with older display drivers to a Waveshare branded 7-inch display with a resolution of 1024 by 600. Lastly, to drive the wattage needed to run the Xavier NX, we got a beefy lithium-ion battery. The only downside is it's fucking heavy and probably more dangerous than the prior. And here's what they look like separated in all of their glory. I also fitted an NVMe and mounted it on startup. This will increase read and write speeds drastically. To put this in perspective, the NVMe is 7 times faster than the SD card that's currently in the Xavier NX. Oh, and quick shout out to Jetson Hacks for the GitHub guide and shell script to mount the drive and boot it on startup. Now for the most hellish part of the entire project, the 3D printing. I found some prints and made modifications to them, and others I built from scratch on Blender. But that aside, the software process isn't the pain in the ass part. It's the 12-hour printing times that really make you contemplate life. All it takes is one shitty movement from your printer to be royally f***ed. I will say though, the end products are very gratifying. When everything fits well and actually looks good, there's an interesting gratification that comes along with that. You know, taking something on a computer screen and making it real. Now for a quick interruption. If you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting on the video. Let's get back into it. Now, surprisingly enough, there isn't much to do on the software side of things. I hopped over to Nvidia's website, downloaded the newest version of Jetpack OS, and flashed it to an SD card using the Balena Etcher program. Then I popped it into the Xavier NX and it was smooth sailing from there. I'll quickly note that I did tinker a bit with the OS once I booted it up, but nothing substantial. Alright, looks like we've tied it all together. Let's check out the new prototype. Okay, first I want to show off the Bluetooth capability of the Xavier NX by connecting my AirPods and taking advantage of the fact that I can now use them as both a sound and microphone solution. In theory, I could make Zoom calls or hop on Discord with the boys. I'm also going to quickly jump on YouTube and show off this amazing channel I randomly found. Wow, that's some nice hair. I hope he doesn't cut it. Oh, look at that, it's the original computer arm running Raspbian. And here's one of my favorite degenerates live streaming on twitch.tv. Lastly, I'm just going to showcase all the applications you can download and use from the software app. There are some notable ones too. I saw WhatsApp, Kodi, Blender, a Game Boy and N64 emulator. After this, I might have to hop on Pokemon Emerald, and maybe a little Mario 64 after. Moving forward, I want to thank all of my viewers and subscribers for coming along on this journey with me to build weird shit. I really do appreciate it. Please keep the comments coming. You guys have some crazy and great ideas that influence me to make my videos even better. Oh, I'll be streaming on Twitch pretty soon. There was someone in the comment section a couple videos back that said that they wanted to know more about the guy behind their creations, and I thought this was a good way to connect with viewers and subs. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Bon voyage, boys and girls, and best of luck.